What's up, guys? Got mail today. Don't need that. Don't need it. Okay, so today I got in the mail my first plant swap cuttings. So I mailed my cuttings out 2 days before my plant swap friend did, and I guess Nashville USPS is just slacking because it's still in Tennessee, and I've gotten theirs even though they mailed theirs 2 days later. So I don't know. Anyway, so I got this, and then I also have an Etsy order. I'm gonna open the plant swap first. Plant swap. This is my first time doing plant swaps. I'm super stoked. So it's gonna be so cute. Alright, what do we have here? This is cute. I can reuse this for propagation. That's exciting. So my last video I made, I'm working on getting it back up, but it got taken down because I played my Fleetwood Mac album in the background. My video literally got taken down for 15 seconds of a song by Warner Music Group. Like, they don't have enough to worry about. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look, it's string of bananas and it's rooted. That's really exciting. Wow, this looks really great. Oops. That's awesome. Hey. Okay, so I got this string of bananas and then, I can't remember what all of that. Yeah, I got string of bananas, mother-in-law's tongue. No, not mother-in-law's tongue, lawyer's tongue. And, Ric Rac Cactus. And then I sent her, I think it's hers. I sent her neon pothos and jade pothos cuttings and a couple little Sansevieria pups. Look, she just sent these bare root and they look really fine. I wrapped mine in sphagnum. So maybe they'll be okay with the sphagnum because, since they're also in the mail because they're in sphagnum. Cute! Love it. That is really cute. I really like that. I wasn't sure about this, honestly. Like, I didn't really want it, but she asked if I could trade her some, this little leaf's falling off, trade her some Sansevieria pups. And so I just kind of chose something from the list that she said she had, and I was like, okay, I'll take that. I wasn't sure about it, but I really like it. It's so cute. Oh. So what else is that? And now, this is the one I'm really the most excited about. It's a Ric Rac Cactus cutting, and I just think this is the coolest plant. Like, I can't wait to get it going. I want to get it to bloom. It has the most beautiful blooms. And I just think it doesn't look real. It just looks so funky. Got some dirt on the desk. Dirt on the desk. Look at it. It's so cute. Look, it's got a... stuck to me. Get a little bit of new growth there. Okay, so she did not send this one bare root. Or, I mean, she wrapped it in a damp paper towel. Oh, yeah. Okay. So it's got a piece kind of struggling on it. But that's okay. What? Look at it. It's so cute. Cute. it's got like roots coming off the back of it. Weird. I don't know much about this plant, guys. I've got to do a little bit of research. Okay. Over there. Clean up my desk a little bit. So, I never told you guys, but I got my husband to move his workspace to the spare bedroom because we were interrupting him too much and having to tiptoe around him while he was teaching live on Zoom. So he moved to the spare bedroom, and I've been a lot happier since then. Okay, so this is from, like I said, an Etsy shop. It is, the name of the Etsy shop, let me pull it up real quick. Oops. I'm just gonna start opening this. Okay, so it's TWP Tropical. That's the shop off of Etsy that I ordered this from. And I actually ordered this one over a month ago, but when I ordered it, I knew it was gonna take a while to get ready to ship. So I've been waiting on this baby for a hot minute. Not a cold minute, but a hot minute. All right, so, and there's a few different things in here. Weird. Okay, some sphagnum moss. I'm not expecting it to be packaged like this. Okay. Just a couple of things of sphagnum. Propagating fun. What's this? Oh, this is orchid bark. There we go. And now, this is what I'm super excited about. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is a care card, and this is their business card. That's cute. There's their information. All right. Ooh, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Is he in there? A little sneak peek. Can you tell what it is? This is a plant that I saw on the interwebs that I fell in love with. It just looks like reptilian, and I just am like really into those reptilian looking plants. Actually, this is one of my favorites. I've become obsessed with these family plants. It's a Calathea Orbofolia. Oh, it's cute. It's got a little damage, but that's okay. It needs some sun. Look at it. It's so cute. Wow. This is the first time I've seen this plant in person. Like, I've never seen one of these in person. It's not, we don't have a good variety of Calathea around these parts, which is in the Nashville area that I've found anyways. So yeah, this is this little baby. So tomorrow, I think, well, there's a new shop opening up locally that is a plant bar. So they're selling house plants, and they also have beer. So we might go check it out tomorrow. If we do, then I'll record a little video to show you. There you go. It's called Traveler's Botanique, I think. And that's in, ooh, let's get this paper towel in here, in Columbia, Tennessee. That's where I'm from. There she is. She's lopsided. Not looking too hot there. We've got a leaf loss here. Straighten her up and pack this back in here. Definitely don't need to repot it right now. I need to let it get happy because it doesn't look very happy right now. So, yep. What's that? Calathea orbofolia. I'll update you on it later.